Here are 120 of the most common internet expressions in alphabetical order. 4AO for adults only. Aim off, as a matter of fact. ADEH, another day in hell. A fic, as far as I'm concerned. A effect, as far as I can tell. A fake, as far as I know. A fair, as far as I remember. AFK, away from keyboard. This is usually used in gaming to let other people know you will be stepping away from your computer. ASL, age, sex, location. AYMM, are you my mother? AYOR, at your own risk. B4N, bye for now. Be at you, back at you. Bay, before anyone else. This is used to refer to someone you like the most. BBG, bye bye, be good. BBIAs, be back in a sec. BFF, best friends forever. BRB, be right back. BSAAW, big smile and a wink. BTW, by the way. Bump, bring up my post. BWL, bursting with laughter. CSL, can't stop laughing. See what? Complete waste of time. CYT, see you tomorrow. Day, does anyone else? DBMIB, don't bother me, I'm busy. DM, direct message, a private direct message instead of public or a group message. DW, don't worry. DWH, during work hours. E123, easy as 123. EMBM, early morning business meeting. EOD, end of day. Fork, for anyone who cares. FIMH, forever in my heart. FTL, for the loss. FTW, for the win. FOMO, fear of missing out. FWIW, for what it's worth. FYI, for your information. G2G, got to go. For hoy, get a hold of yourself. GFN, gone for now. GL, good luck. GG, good game. GMTA, great minds think alike. GOI, get over it. GTS, go to sleep. HIFW, how I feel when, often used sarcastically as a caption for a meme or GIF. HMU, hit me up. Iron out, I am not a lawyer. ICYMI, in case you missed it. IDC, I don't care. IDK, I don't know. IFYP, I feel your pain. IIRC, if I remember correctly. ILY, I love you. IYKYK, if you know, you know. IMO, in my opinion. IMU, I miss you. IRL, in real life. J4F, just for fun. JIK, just in case. JK, just kidding. JSYK, just so you know. KPC, keeping parents clueless. LAMO, laughing my off. LMK, let me know. LOL, laughing out loud. MBN, must be nice. MFW, my face when. Nagi, not a good idea. NBD, no big deal. NFS, not for sale. NGL, not gonna lie. NSFL, not safe for life, used to refer to a video or image that is considered highly disturbing. NSFW, not safe for work, usually a warning before a link or file that shouldn't be clicked or opened while at work because it'll lead to R-rated content. NTH, nice to have. NVM, never mind. OC, original content. OH, overheard. OMDB, over my dead body. OMW, on my way. O, out of office. OP, original poster. OPT, one true pair, a fictitious relationship between two characters or people who are not romantically linked. PAR, parent at home. PAW, parents are watching. PBB, parent behind back. PETA, parent in the room. POMS, parent over my shoulder. POV, point of view. PRT, please retweet. PTB, please text back. QQ, crying. RBTL, read between the lines. RLRT, real life retweet. Ruoak, are you okay? SFW, safe for work. SMH, shaking my head. SOML, story of my life. SSDD, same stuff, different day. TBH, to be honest. TFW, that feeling when. TIA, thanks in advance. TIL, today I learned. Time, tears in my eyes. TLDR, too long, didn't read. TMB, tweet me back. TNTL, trying not to laugh. TTYL, talk to you later. W8, wait, WTF, what the WTPA, where the party at? WTV, whatever. WYD, what you doing? WYLL, what you look like? YH, wish you were here. YGTR, you got that right. YNK, you never know. ZZ's, sleeping, bored, tired. That's it, 120 of the most common internet slangs. Did we forget anything? Let us know in the comments. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also, subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments. It might become our next video. See you next time.